In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high DPC latency on Windows 11 or on your Windows 10. So DPC stands for Deferred Procedure Call, and it allows you to perform high priority tasks first and low priority tasks later on. So it basically just manages your tasks that are going on in the background to deliver optimal performance. Now, without further ado, go ahead to the search menu, type in Control Panel. As you can see, go ahead, click on Open. And after that, just make sure that View By is on large icons. Click on that. And then just go ahead, click on Power Options. Just go ahead, left click on it. And then just make sure the performance is on high or on ultimate performance. As you can see, click on Ultimate Performance. Thus, if you are having issue with performance, just turn on the high performance or the ultimate performance. Now just go back and then just choose Network and Sharing Center. Click on that. And then just go ahead, click on Change Adapter Settings. And then just choose your Wi-Fi. Click on that. And then just click on Priorities, as you can see. And after that, just scroll down on the connection list and select where it says Protocol Internet version 6. Go ahead and uncheck that. Remove the check right beside it. And then click on OK. And now, after doing all of that, if you are still having issues, just go ahead to the next step, which is go to the search menu and type in CMD, which is Command Prompt Run as Administrator. And then this window will pop up for you. And make sure to write this command correctly. As you can see, type in bcdedit // set space. And then just copy this command. Make sure to write everything correctly. Or you can go ahead to the description. This command will be in the description. Just copy and paste it here. And then after you're all done, just go ahead, click Enter. And this should be good to go. You can go ahead and close the command prompt. Just go ahead and close it. And after that, for changes to take place, all you have to do is go ahead, restart your computer. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.